Doberman Issa. Issa's here for a 2-week board and train. She's coming to us with lots of stuff to work on, pulling being her number one thing. She's very strong, she pulls all over the place. She's very excited about everything. She meets a new person, she gets really excited, she'll yank right up all the way up to them. Like I said, she's really strong. As far as I know, her parents did tell me that she does know how to sit. She does know how to down, but really whenever she feels like it, mostly inside for like a treat or something like that. Otherwise, she's kind of like this. She's very alert, paying attention to everything. I'm really quick going to run through some of the commands just to see if she'll do any of them for me. Issa, come. Sit. Issa, sit. Sit down. Down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Down. Issa. Down is a no, the sit is okay. So far she's holding it as long as she is. I did test with her earlier and she wasn't holding it for not even a second. She also has what looks to me like a little bit of recall, but we still have a lot of work to do. So let's check back in how well Issa's doing in the next 2 weeks.
some bad habits that we tried to correct on our own, but we weren't able to do that.
Excellent. Nellie was very responsive. She answered all of our questions in a timely fashion, and she sent great videos with music. Love that.
Confidence. She knows what she's doing and what's expected of her, and she's just a well-behaved dog now.
Absolutely,
Definitely,
yes.
yes. 5-star rating.